Morning skincare, G. First is for my cleanser, I'm using Mama's Choice. Ang nagustuhan ko dito, very mild siya. But unlike other cleansers, it doesn't really foam that much. Sobrang smooth niya and very magaan sa pakiramdam. It's very safe for pregnant women and breastfeeding moms as well. Sa mga cleanser na hindi masyado nagfo-foam, let's make sure that we really have to cleanse our face properly with water. Then after cleansing, we have to dry our face with towel. When drying our face, let's just pat it smoothly. Next naman, we set our face with some toner. I'm using this Korean brand called Face Republic. This toner is called the Hydro Balance Solution Toner. It deeply hydrates and balances our skin's pH level. And it's super good in moisturizing and improving the elasticity of our facial skin. Our next step is applying the serum. I'm still using Face Republic, the Hydro Boost Solution Serum. What I really love about this is, while it hydrates my skin, hindi sticky yung pakiramdam. So very lightweight lang talaga siya. Kapag nag-a-apply ako ng serum, pea-size drops lang po per side. Then gently massage it throughout your face. Sensitive kasi yung face ko, kaya talagang lightweight products lang yung ginagamit ko. Next step is our moisturizer. I'm using Face Republic Hydro Barrier Ceramide Moisturizing Cream. Grabe yung haba nun. Again, not too much when applying and just gently massage it throughout your face. Maganda yung feeling niya, very light and soothing sa pakiramdam. Sa lahat ng moisturizing cream na nagamit ko, dito lang ata ako nahiyang ng sobra. And finally, the sunscreen of the Hydro series of the Face Republic. It's called the Purity Sun Essence with SPF 50+. Medyo particular ako sa sunscreen kasi di ba yung iba sobrang sticky sa feeling. Pero ito super gaan niya and super soothing sa pakiramdam. Etong step na to sa skincare, we usually skip this. As for me, I'm using Human Nature Eye Cream. Actually, any brand will do. Basta ang pinaka-importante, let's not take our eyes for granted. Minsan lang naman ako mag-makeup, like pag may special events lang. So, para dun sa laging naka-makeup, sa eyeshadow, and etc., syempre mas kailangan pong mag-hydrate ng eyes. I use this day and night. And for my lip balm, I use Lucas Papaw Ointment. Very sweet sa lips and multi-purpose din siya. I actually got this reco from the TikTok video made by Dr. Vicky Bello. I'm really happy about the products I'm using kasi vegan-friendly sila and most importantly, safe for pregnant women and breastfeeding moms. Ciao!